Today we are going to unbox the Sennheiser AVX kit. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. We got cracking stuff. Oh yeah, something escaped. It was a battery compartment, B30. I thought that was gonna be a battery. It's just a battery compartment. Well, gotta do something out of that. We get a bag. We get the actual thing we want, the digital wireless lavalier mic set. Awesome. Over there. And then with this is the Pelican case. It's got all the foam and stuff in it holding it. Awesome. Put that over here. And then we've got the rechargeable battery, a BA20. This one is for the receiver that goes into your camera. All right, and that's all we got. All right, so in the box we had this microphone set. We had the battery cover case thing. We had the extra battery pack. And we had the case. Let's start with this. Start with the battery. Here's the battery, nice case. Tells you to do stuff, charge it before use. It doesn't really weigh much at all. Directions, that's awesome. Wow, this thing's tiny. Check this out. Comes in a plastic bag, nice. Open it up, wow. That's absolutely tiny. Check that out. It's supposed to last 5 hours too. Well, that's cool. That's very exciting. All right, we'll put that down. Let's see, how does it feel? It's got a plastic case. It's got a little battery on the inside. Got little connector bits on it. I don't know, feels pretty good. And then it's got that. And it's got a charging port for it. Cool. All right, so that's neat. We'll set that right there. Then we got this. I'm not going to open this. This is the battery compartment B30. So this is just the shell. This, we've got the box. So let's open this box up. Check this out. We've got the box. It comes in a nice plastic bag, so it won't get wet, I guess. This is a really nice box. Let's take a look at it. Over, it's got this. It's nice and smooth black rubber. It's got pins on it. Tells you it's waterproof. It's got latches on it. Ooh, these things have little like clips. Can you see that? You have to like squeeze it to unlatch it. Same with this one over here. So that's cool. Right. Open that up. It's got a little pamphlet in here about things. Yay, superior protection. Awesome, don't need that. All right, and then it's got a spot for everything. Wait for it, can we put this in here? Oh yes, that was amazing. Oh yes, that was amazing. Ah, done. That feels so good. All right. What else does this have? This has a little watertight valve. I guess I will not pry at it so I don't destroy it, but it's got a valve there for doing the water pressure thing. Very cool. And it's got a couple little spots here you can put a padlock through it. That's really neat. That is a really nice case. Does the foam come out? Nope. Foam was stuck in there, and this back foam stuck in there too. It's got a nice rubber gasket. Is that? No, that's plastic. That's plastic. And then this is the foam rubber sealing bit. And now what we actually care about in this whole video, the Sennheiser digital wireless lavalier mic set. This one comes with the ME2. Oh, it does have a hologram and a QR code on the back, which is cool, and it tells you what's in it. Looks nice. Oh, that's stiff. Okay. All right, what do we get? So open this up and we get a nice, that is a massive pamphlet. Check that out. That thing's huge. All right, massive pamphlet. Nice. We get, oh, that's so weird. Check this weird package out. It's got this sort of funky case for holding this, which holds it nicely, but let's get that out of there. Cool. So we've got the, so this is the transmitter unit. Check this out. This is actually really nicely made. Check it out. Okay. This has, so obviously it's got its battery thing. So here's the battery. Nice. That plugs in there. It's got paper in there so it doesn't go on. Plastic. So we plug in the mic. It's got its mute, auxiliary, power buttons, pairing buttons. That's really nicely made. That's really cool. We'll follow up on this. Oh, wait. We got a case we can put it in. Oh yeah, let's try that again. Oh, I like it. All right, we get this case thing, which is good if you're traveling, but this case is way better. We'll put that there. We get some USB cables. Cool. Plastic bag. It's got micro USB on it. We get, oh, this is the receiver unit. Yeah, look at this. I like the blue on it. I think it looks cool. So this blue one, it comes with a battery on it, which is pretty neat. Oh, there's the tape. Well, I'll take that off now. Or maybe not. How does that go on? Oh, it's got a little hook on it. Here. So the battery, it's got a little slot in it right there. And so that's gonna, so we're getting that hook thing. Anyway, that's really cool. It's a nice unit. All right, cool. Oh, does it turn? Oh, it does. Do you hear that? Oh, yes. That's cool. All right, we'll put that in case. There, no. And what else? Yeah, you have this adapter. This is the adapter that goes from this unit into your DSLR. Cool. You've got a blank space where I'll write your name. And then we've got something. I assume this is a charging. Ah, yes, we have a charger. So we have a charger. It comes with an American adapter piece. What do we really care about? So output's 5 volts at 1000 milliamps. Cool, this can put out 5 watts. And then the actual microphone itself in a bag, nice. We got this thing. What the heck is this? What? I don't know what that is. Oh, weird. This is the clip. Here, let's take a look at this. So this is the thing that fits in your hot shoe. Look at that. And it comes with this clip, so you can clip it onto things. I don't know what I'd use that for just yet, but cool. Thing's made of plastic, feels like it's nice and sturdy. Now, what I didn't know about this is that it has, oh, wait for it, 1/4 on the bottom. So you could screw that onto a light stand or something. That's cool. All right, oh, and we got a foam shield. There we go, windshield. Cool. Recap what's in the box. We've got a lavalier mic. We've got a clip for it. We've got this clip for it to hold the mic. That there. We've got a windscreen. That there. Get rid of that. And then we've got this holder. So if you have a DSLR, you need to put it into your hot shoe mount. You've got the holder, and this comes apart. So you got the holder and the slidey thing. You've got the American 110 volt connector bit. Someone will ask, is this auto switching? It says switching power supply. So yes, this works at 100 to 240 volts AC at either 50 or 60 hertz. So you can use this all over the world. So that's cool. DSLR adapter. So you can plug this into your DSLR. We've got a USB charging cable, which I guess is nice to have yet another USB cable. We got this bag, pouch. We got a manual. Look how chunky that manual is. This is chunky. Oh my god. Anyway, we got the manual. That right there. And then we had the transmitter unit itself. And we had the pack that connects. It actually connects to the lavalier mic. Set. So that's what comes in the Sennheiser AVX ME2 set. All right, now let's put all of this into this case. So there you go. All the stuff in the kit fits in the box. Very cool.